Hi, it's me again, Kebala. So today I have new product to share with you. Are you ready? Electric vehicle are shaping the future of mobilities. But how can we ensure every EV charging station are safe, reliable, and also fully functional? So today I would like to introduce you a EV Test 100, a professional electric vehicle supply equipments to simulate a electric vehicle condition and verify the charging station performance with confidence. EV Test 100. It has current range from 13 amps, 20 amps, 32 amps, and 63 amps. This is to confirm the charging station recognize correctly the cable capacity and deliver current accordingly. This EV Test 100 also can simulate fault. It has two fault. First one, protective earth interruption. We call it PE. Number two, control pilot signal error. So this is to verify that the charging station detect the fault and react accordingly. Using dedicated CP signal output, EV Test 100 enable monitoring of the PWM signal to verify number one, charging mode, number two, current encoding, and number three, pulse width modulation behavior of this equipment. When we use EV Test 100 with multi-function equipments from HT Italia, you can do further tests with these equipments. EV Test 100 is not only for simulation tests, but if you combine this with micro EV tests, so you can do a multiple test. If you want to do a installation, you have to do a test before, a test during, and also a test after the installation. For example, you need to do insulation test, you have to do voltage drop test, you have to do ELCB test, you have to do power logging test, and many other tests which comes with these units. From basic functionality tests to advanced fault simulation, EV Tests 100 provides a confident professional needs. If you want to learn more or you have any question, please follow UIT.